Hello, in this video I want to show you how to place stairs in Minecraft Legends. And to do this, first you'll need to add them to your hotbar. If you haven't already, it should be set by default, but to do this, click on Air, and here find Player Building Melodies, and make sure that the stairs are on your hotbar. In this case, it's on 2. Then click on 2 on your keyboard and start placing the stairs by clicking on pressing on the right click in your mouse. Then hold it and click left to start placing the stairs. And then if you click again, the stairs should be placed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.